Good morning, everyone. Here we are back with the morning show. So let's see what the news looks like. As you know, that the market tanked a lot yesterday. Both Nifty and BSC was down a lot, around 400 points and around 39 point something. And but it is expected that today it would be a green day, as yesterday all the markets were up except the Indian markets. So let's see how that turns out. So after that, I would just like to show that the LIC IPO day, which was yesterday, it was oversubscribed around 67 times. So
67%,
7%. Okay, sorry. So of course that is a good news. And RBI hiked repo rate by 40 BPS, because of which the market tanked yesterday, which was definitely not a good news for a lot of people out there. So, of course, coming back to the FI and DI data, FI offloaded approximately 3,300 crores, okay, of shares, and DI were, of course, around net buyers for around 1,400 crores. So I think that is all for the news today from our side. So I'd like to ask Priyanka to share her screen and, of course, take the show forward.
I'll show what the trade we're going to put.
Okay.
Yes.
And we can prepare that. So what happened in the Bank Nifty is the Bank Nifty closed at 20-day low for the first time yesterday.
Actually.
And ahead of option expiry. So either the straddle at yesterday's closing price, or the call butterfly, or the highest probability trades that are going to work today. All right. So what we need to do is, you can take the screen.
Yes.
Put a call butterfly, but a tilted one. So what we need to do is, assuming the market is opening right at 35,700, and we already shorted that CE, so that will open about maybe 100 or 200 points up, but we'll make money in that 36,500 CE.
Yes.
Now I'll create a butterfly around 35,500, which means I'm going to short 35,600 CE, something like that. Bank Nifty this week 35,600.
It's in 111.
But it will open a lot. And buy a deep in the money next week. So that would be Bank Nifty 35,400. So first I need to buy that, and then I will sort the 35,600 one later.
Okay.
And what I will also do is, yesterday we have done a gross mistake of not putting the ratio spread as a hedge.
Yes.
Remind me after we adjust the margin.
Okay.
Market opens, and then after adjusting the margin, right? The second thing here is probably that 18,000 CE is useless because it's fallen a lot.
Yes.
And it is not useful for us to write calls because it has gone too much out of the band. Right now, Nifty, its base is about 16,800.
Okay.
This is 1,200 away. So we should be working within the 500 plus or minus points in the option space. Otherwise, it doesn't move. So today, if it opens up, whatever, we'll get out and we'll close that big losing trade. Of course, we have made money by writing some of the calls during the course. So that way we'll be mentally freed by that big loss amount. That 36,000 won't happen now, because if you remove that 21, it will show 15,000, which is reasonable. And that is getting carried because of that June 17,000 and 16,500 put spread.
Yes.
Yes.
Kura, do you want to like as soon as the market opens buy or like after it settles down?
Like just after 1 minute, because when you are creating a spread, it doesn't matter whether you buy with a limit or market or a settled, because there should be there shouldn't be an arbitrage opportunity. So that's the theory.
Can I go ahead and buy this?
Just try with a limit first, maybe 580, 585. And now it zoomed. That's fine. So it's now calibrating into 640.
100 rupees up.
Now it's falling down, 630, 625. Again, back to 630. Try at 635.
It's lesser than
Try.
pending.
It's now at 645. Oh no, wait, it will come down. I mean, even if it doesn't come down, we'll see. As we walk, let's wait. Come to our that useless call. It opened at the same 102. So just sell that. Square off.
At any price you want.
101.
Oh, even that is pending.
Where is the bid and ask for that? 18,000 CE.
It's at our price only.
We put 101, right?
Yes, it was at 101. Now
It came down. So just put at 100 point.
Okay.
In the mid.
Done.
Just check the funds. That's because this order is getting worked out. That's 667.
Yes.
Instead of that, maybe go for 35,500.
Okay.
And you have to cancel that order also.
Yeah, first I'll go ahead and cancel it off. It's currently
market like 600. Yeah, it is little stable. 5 at 591. Now it dropped.
Oh, got completed.
Okay, that's fine. So now try selling 35 600 call.
It's increasing, Cora.
Yeah, that's fine. Sell at market. We want a better price.
Oh my god, margin problem.
Okay, so then okay, cancel that. Whatever we bought, no, sell that.
What do we buy?
The 35,500 C.
35,500.
Second item.
Yeah.
Square off.
Market.
Yeah.
We made a little bit profit.
Okay, then if call butterfly is not possible, what I'll do is iron Condor.
Okay.
Go back to. Let's not waste too much money. So where is the 35,700 option chain of Bank Nifty? Option chain.
Yeah.
That's about 150, right? 150 both sides, 300.
Yes.
35,600, 35,700 minus 300. 35,4. 35,4 put this week.
400. This week, P.
P, yeah. And 1,000 points away from that. That would be 34,400 P again this week. Buy the first one and sell the next one.
35,400.
Yeah. Select market. Now check the funds.
18,000 Cora.
Okay, so now we shouldn't be repeating yesterday's mistake, which is go to see Nifty and tell me the straddle.
Options is not found. Okay, I'll go to the NSE.
No, there only it's available.
It didn't show Cora like.
No, you have to click Nifty. Click any Nifty. Nifty futures is what you have to click. Go to first tab. That's where. Yeah, so there you open the strategy. The last 3 bullets.
Yeah, it's open.
Go to May end, 26th.
Your voice broke.
26th May chain, option chain. What
Okay.
now is 5th. No, come down 26th May. 26th May.
Got it.
So there 16,800 is 300 and 300, 600. So buy 16,200 puts.
16,300.
May end.
May end, okay. May end put. It's at 146.
Yeah, buy that. At least one.
Done, Cora.
And the next week, we can also compensate by buying next week. The same strike, 16.4.
I bought 16,300.
Next week, you compensate by going next week, 16.4.
Okay, it's at 2 rupees.
No, that's this week, next week.
Okay. It's a 73.
Yeah, we are like, we don't want to spend too much. At least let's buy this and check the funds.
After buying or before?
Before.
25, Cora.
We would be wasting 3,000 in this. Okay, buy that. 3,000. So right now we have a iron Condor on Bank Nifty.
Okay.
A hedge for any sell-off, if at all, if it happens.
Okay.
And my view is Bank Nifty is not yet out of the woods. As it has hit 20-day low, it might hit a few series of 20-day lows as well. As I kept telling on Nifty, when it was trading at 16.9 first, and then it rebounded, then again it cracked yesterday, like twice or thrice.
Yes.
This is the period you should be holding a ratio spread as a hedge, and you should try to make that as a zero cost.
Yes.
Then you are okay. Right now, just check the funds.
Yes. It's at 23,240.
Okay, so we are in a safe place. Safe place in the sense, at least in the margin wise.
Yes.
And pledge the Infosys one share.
Yeah, I have sent a request.
You have done it. Okay. And go back to that ETFs.
Yeah, let's check out our ETFs. Kotak Alpha is surprisingly outside.
Nasdaq is up 1.5%. It is not translated the 3.3% raise because dollar USD, there might have been some goof up on that. So it doesn't translate exact gains as what Nasdaq has risen yesterday. That 100 ETF, right?
Yes. Gold Visa.
Remove that Hong Kong ETF, that last one.
Yes.
We wanted to buy at 12.5, but it never came. And what are our stocks doing?
Okay. Let's go to holdings. It's dipped a little bit from yesterday.
No, we actually made quite a bit. Yesterday we were down to 3,800. Now 2,800. That means we're up by 1,000 rupees on a base of 70,000, like 1.5% in line with the market.
Amazing.
Actually, Nifty is getting faded. It opened at 180 points. Huh?
Yes.
Now it is only 110 points gain. And even Bank Nifty softened from 35,700 odd to 35,600 now.
Yes. Do you want to look at our portfolio, Cora?
Yeah, try limit orders. Let's just check.
Yeah, let's do that.
So the 35,700 CE,
Yes.
one which we sold,
Huh.
put a limit order at, I'm happy to take 50% of the premium. That means we shorted at 100 yesterday. So somewhere around 45.
45. Let's keep it 46.
Okay. And anyway, we'll come back and see what is the position at
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. And also put the 35, the put we shorted 35,400.
Yes.
Put that square off, or we shorted at 51. So probably put half of it, which is 25, 22 like that.
Okay.
26, whatever. Yeah.
26 is better. A little bit higher. Because yesterday we missed by 1 point.
1 point, yes.
Yes. And apart from this, Cora?
That's all. There's nothing, and we'll come back at 12:30.
Yeah, we have 2 limit orders placed. And then we'll again come back at 12:30 to finish off these trades. Let's hope for the best.
Right. I'll give you the post.
Yes. Thank you, Cora. Have a nice day.
Thanks.
No one.
Hi, Priyanka. I mean, it just started, so what can we say right now?
Yeah. I'm feeling a little calm today that, my portfolio is not on fire again.
Actually, I mean, it regained a bit at least. I mean,
When I saw the Nifty chart, I'm like, no, I'm not going to open my positions and see.
Okay.
But I'm not worried today a little bit. So I'll go.
Actually, everyone was very worried yesterday at least.
Yes, but what Cora mentioned did work out, right? He told that
Yes.
before the Fed meeting, there will be a rally after the Fed meeting. So I was checking that and it did work out.
I mean, most of the ideas whichever he says actually do work out.
Yeah, I really like when he gives more data also, like for us to see. Yesterday, do you remember, like we checked where LIC would be listed if it was listed in the Nifty 50? That was an amazing learn yesterday.
Actually, I mean, I didn't even thought from that perspective. I was like, probably we are checking something, about the 50 companies or something like that. But then there was a clue over there.
Yeah, that was amazing. That learning yesterday, I felt like, oh yes, I want
there is something new.
Yeah. Okay, let me show our viewers our YouTube channel.
Sure.
So this is our YouTube channel. Yeah, we go live every day morning at 9, 8 and evening at 3 o'clock. So tune with us live and check out our trades. Our trade ideas are very informative. Today the iron hedge was amazing. So I'm going to go back and learn about the same thing. And apart from that, on every
Expiry.
on every expiry, we come at 12 o'clock also to finish our trades. So come back to us at 12 o'clock also. And apart from our videos, we give all the trades taken even in the description below. And if you just scroll down, now you can find our trading journal here, which will take you to our website. That is directly the sheet. Okay, let me show them our website first then.
The description was very helpful. I mean, I was not able to watch a video, but the description was like
sometimes we miss it, right? Was it 17,400? Was it 17,200, right?
actually, I mean, with every minute details.
Yes. So our trading journal will be posted here, and whatever trades we have taken, if you just click on one and scroll down, this is the link to the sheet that I showed before. And yeah, these are all the trades that we have taken from beginning of the show. We have taken around 115 trades.
I mean, don't you think it's so amazing? I mean, he even specifies the reason about the trade.
Yes.
Nowadays, you actually don't. I mean, you know every sort of strategy out there, but you don't know the rationale behind it.
Exactly. So every rationale behind each trade taken is given. See, today he mentioned, right, iron condor.
Yes.
That also we have taken sometime in 28th April. So I think tomorrow he'll update it as iron condor here, right?
Yes, the butterfly, the iron condor. I mean, I didn't even knew about these terms.
Yes. If you guys want an insight on the butterfly technique or trade, you can find it here. It is called long butterfly spread with calls. This is what we tried to do because of margin short. We went on to the iron condor, but this is here. Like if you guys want to have a quick read, right?
I mean, there are all the strategies right over there also on the left hand side. Yes.
Yes. So this website also was given by Cora. All right then, Vanshika.
Priyanka, you forgot about the Twitter. Or maybe we could do it in the evening. No problem.
Yeah. No, I'll give a shout out to our Twitter also. Our Twitter handle is also Watanabe and before we go live also, we mention it on our Twitter. We tweeted out that we're going live. So follow us on Twitter for daily updates. All right. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a nice day, viewers.
Yeah.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
We forgot the main thing.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your family members also.
Please do.
Help us grow.
Actually, I mean, you do know that the information we provide is very legit. So please help us grow.
Yes. And it's going to get better and better over time, right?
Definitely.
Yes. Bye, Vanshika. Have a nice day.
Okay.